Ever wondered how you could make money from MiPic? Well, let's dive into the world of this incredible platform that's turning creative dreams into reality. MiPic is not just another social media site, it's a vibrant marketplace, a place where artists of all kinds can monetize their creativity. Imagine transforming your passion into a steady stream of income, all while reaching a global audience that truly appreciates your work. With MiPic, you're not just selling your art. You're building a brand, establishing a presence, and creating a legacy. The potential here is immense, with the platform offering numerous opportunities for creatives to generate passive income from their artwork. This isn't about a one-time sale, it's about creating a sustainable revenue stream that keeps flowing, even when you're not actively working. So if you're an artist seeking for a new revenue stream, you're in the right place. Welcome to the world of MiPic, where creativity meets commerce. So, where do you start? With setting up your MiPic account, of course. The process is straightforward and should not take you more than a few minutes to complete. But remember, each step is important and shouldn't be rushed. First things first, head over to the website. Look for the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. This includes your full name, email address, and a password. Make sure to use an email address that you check regularly, as this is where all your MiPic notifications will be sent. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. You'll then be prompted to choose a username. Now this is where you can let your creativity shine. Your username is how people will identify you on the platform. It should be unique, catchy, and representative of your brand. So take a moment, think it over. And once you've decided on the perfect one, type it in. Next, you're going to fill out your profile details. This includes a profile picture and a short bio. Your profile picture should be clear and professional. Remember, this is the face of your brand. As for the bio, it should briefly describe who you are and what kind of art you create. This is your chance to showcase your unique style and personality, so make it count. Finally, you'll be asked to read and accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to go through them carefully. Once you've done that, hit the Create Account button, and just like that, you're done. You've now officially set up your MiPic account. From here, you can start uploading your art, setting your prices, and promoting your work to potential buyers. And there you go. You've just set up your MiPic account. Easy, right? Now that your account is ready, it's time to showcase your talent. Let's dive into how you can upload your art on MiPic. The process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, navigate to the Upload section on your MiPic dashboard. Here you'll find an option to select the files you wish to upload. You can choose either single or multiple files depending on the volume of your work. Keep in mind that MiPic supports a wide range of file formats, so whether you're a photographer, a painter, or a digital artist, you can share your work without any hassle. Once you've selected your files, hit the Upload button. While your files are being uploaded, you'll see a progress bar. This is a good time to take a quick break, grab a cup of coffee, or maybe sketch out your next masterpiece. After your files are successfully uploaded, you'll be directed to the Details page. Here you can add a title, description, and tags for each of your artworks. Remember, these details are not just cosmetic. They play a critical role in how potential buyers discover your artwork. So, be creative, but also be specific and accurate. Now let's talk about the quality of your uploads. The resolution and clarity of your art can significantly influence its appeal. High-resolution images not only look more professional but also offer a better viewing experience. On the other hand, poor quality images may deter potential buyers. So, take time to ensure your artwork is optimized for the platform. You might need to adjust the size, contrast, or color balance of your images to make them look their best. Also, it's worth noting that MiPic allows you to preview your artwork as it would appear on various products, from wall art to phone cases. This can be a great way to ensure your art translates well across different mediums. To wrap up, uploading your art on MiPic is a breeze. But remember, the effort you put into ensuring the quality of your uploads can make a significant difference. Remember, the quality of your uploads can greatly affect your sales. So take the time, do it right, and let your art shine. An important part of selling your art is determining the right price. Now this is where many artists falter, especially when starting out. But fear not, let's unravel the mystery of pricing artwork on MiPic together. The first thing to keep in mind is that your price should reflect the value you place on your work. It's not just about the time, materials, and effort you've put into creating your masterpiece. but also the unique creativity and vision that you as an artist bring to the table. Let's take a metaphorical stroll through a physical art gallery. Imagine a visitor who is captivated by a piece of art. They're drawn to it, they connect with it, and they want to take it home. But then, they look at the price tag and their heart sinks. It's far beyond what they can afford. They reluctantly walk away, and you as the artist lose a potential sale. On the flip side, imagine a piece of art priced too low. It might sell quickly, but at a cost. That cost is you undervaluing your work and potentially setting a precedent that could harm your future pricing strategy. So how to strike the right balance? Start by researching. Look at how other artists on MiPic, particularly those whose work is similar to yours, are pricing their art. This can give you a ballpark figure to start with. Next, consider the costs involved in creating your art. Factor in the price of materials, the time you spent on it, and any overhead costs. Then, add a reasonable margin for profit. This ensures you're not only covering your costs, but also making a fair income. Keep in mind that pricing is more of an art than a science. It's a dynamic process that may require adjustments over time. Experiment with different price points, monitor how they affect your sales, and don't be afraid to tweak your prices based on your observations. Remember, while making sales is important, it's equally crucial to value your work appropriately. Setting a fair price not only benefits you as the artist, but also helps build a sustainable art market on MiPic. Pricing is a crucial aspect of your success on MiPic. So take the time to get it right. Your art and your wallet will thank you. You've uploaded and priced your artwork. Now, it's time to get it in front of potential buyers. Promoting your artwork is an essential step in the process of selling your creations. It's similar to opening a shop in a bustling city. Even if you have the most beautiful wares, if your shop is hidden away in a quiet alley, it's unlikely that customers will stumble upon it. The same applies to your artwork on MiPic or any other platform. It's your responsibility to lead potential buyers to your art. The first thing to understand is the importance of promotion and marketing. In the grand scheme of selling art, creating the piece is only half the battle. The other half is letting people know that your art exists and convincing them that they need it in their lives. Promotion goes beyond just posting your artwork online and waiting for sales to roll in. It's about actively reaching out to your potential audience, engaging with them, and establishing a connection. It's about telling a story, your story and the story of your art. One effective strategy is to leverage the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and even LinkedIn can be excellent tools for showcasing your artwork and reaching a wider audience. Here, you can share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process, talk about your inspiration, and build a community of people who appreciate your work. Don't forget to make use of MiPic's inbuilt promotional tools as well. The platform allows you to share your artwork directly to your social media channels, saving you time and effort. Another strategy is to collaborate with other artists or influencers in your niche. This can help you tap into their audience and gain more visibility. Lastly, consider offering limited-time discounts or special promotions. This can create a sense of urgency among potential buyers, prompting them to make a purchase sooner rather than later. Promoting your artwork may seem like a daunting task, but remember, every successful artist started somewhere. It's a continuous process of learning, experimenting, and refining your approach. Remember, your art won't sell if people don't know it's there. So you've learned the basics of making money from MiPic. We've walked through the steps together, starting from setting up your account. It's a simple and straightforward process. We then moved on to the exciting part, uploading your artwork. Remember, quality matters, so make sure your art stands out. Next, we tackled the crucial issue of pricing your artwork. It's a delicate balance between valuing your time and talent, and remaining competitive in the market. Don't undervalue your work, but also, don't price yourself out of the market. And finally, we discussed promoting your artwork. It's all about getting your work seen by as many people as possible. Use social media, engage with your audience, and don't be shy about showcasing your talent. With these steps, you're well on your way to earning from your art. Start today and let your creativity pay off.